Welcome to Changing My Life Day 6. Okay, so recently I was diagnosed with fibroids. I have 2 fibroid tumors and I already have a history of endometriosis. So first, my kids and I went to this beauty store and there was a 30% off sale for Labor Day weekend. So we went in there and we bought some things. I'll show you that a little bit later. Then we went on a walk. Okay, we're walking around the trail. We walked for about 45 minutes and it felt really good. We were walking an average of 3.2 miles, and I don't know, I love this cute shirt, Meet Me at the Gym. I got it from the thrift shop, and I just feel really good and empowered walking with my kids. I definitely noticed that I walk faster than I used to. They got to keep up with me sometimes, all right? So this is what we bought from the hair store. Is a vegan anti-freeze hair mask. I bought some rubber bands and I bought this bun. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow when I go to church how I apply my bun with my scarf, but I'm really big on just trying to get vegan products. And then we sat down, we had some peanut butter crackers and some watermelon, and we just feel really good and healthy, you guys. We just feel really pure and just like clean diet, clean gut health. It just feels really good. I'm glad that I made this conversion to vegan. Also, the peanut butter, I bought this big old thing from peanut butter. I think I got it from Sam's Club, and I made them a smoothie, a watermelon smoothie as well. So that's our day. Bye.